Hi, I'm Phil, I'm a food and diet writer, and welcome back to Lighter Options. This series is going to show you everything you need to know about healthy eating with some great, quick and easy family favourites. In this episode of the series, we're going to be making quick, reduced fat hummus with crispy pita dippers. This is a much healthier version than the shop bought, as we've taken out all the oil from the hummus, and we're using wholemeal pita bread, so you get an extra fibre boost as well. You'll find all the ingredients you need for this in the description box. Okay, so we've got 2 cans of chickpeas that have been drained. Reserve the water from 1 can because you need that to thin it down later. Add to this 2 tablespoons of reduced fat tahini or reduced fat peanut butter, whichever you can find. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. A teaspoon of sugar, just to balance out the lemon juice. 2 cloves of garlic, which have been crushed. And then the juice of a lemon. And the zest of about half. You can always add more later on. Okay, so give that a quick pulse, just to combine it. And once they're quite roughly chopped, add a splash of the reserved cooking water. That's from the can. Whiz that again. You can make this as smooth or as coarse as you like, and just keep adding the water from the can until you get your right consistency. Once the hummus is smooth or to your liking, spoon it into a resealable container and keep it in the fridge for up to 4 days. It's great for lunch boxes, or if you're serving straight away, just chill it for a few hours before serving. Okay, so chill that down until it's ready to serve. So while the hummus is chilling, we can make some quick, crunchy pita dippers. So take 4 wholemeal pita bread and just cut them into about 2 centimetre wide strips. Scatter them into a baking tray. Spray them with low-calorie spray or a little bit of oil. Give them a toss. Spray again so they're all evenly coated. So bake these at 180 degrees, gas mark 4, for 8 to 10 minutes until they're nice and crisp. So if you like this recipe and want some more healthy ideas, just click the subscribe button. So once the pita are baked and golden, they're really crisp and perfect for dipping. So there you have it, reduced fat hummus with crispy pita dippers. It's great for lunch boxes, snacking or any time. So if you enjoyed this recipe, join me next time for the next episode of Lighter Options.